everyone. Today we are going super simple and breaking down the basics of 3D printing. First question you want to ask yourself is, what is a 3D printer? And well, it is an electromechanical device. Why electromechanical? Well, electro because it uses electricity, and mechanical because it uses gears, motors, and belt and so on. That creates three-dimensional objects. There are 5 main types of 3D printers, and those are FDM, SLA, DLP, SLS, and DMLS. Now we're gonna focus on FDM type because it is the most common and popular across the 3D printing community. Okay, so let's talk about FDM, or Fused Deposition Modeling. Fused means the plastic is melted in a hot nozzle. Deposition means the printer lays down the melted plastic, and modeling, it builds a 3D model, so one layer at the time, and after some time you got the full model. And if you don't know, the plastic it melts is called filament. Here's a detailed version of what I just said. What is a filament? Filament is basically a long, thin strand of plastic. And there are a bunch of other filament types, but the most popular are PLA, PTG, ABS, and TPU. Now these types of filaments. Let's go over those. PLA is easy to use because it has a low temperature for melting. It is eco-friendly, most common across the community, and it is beginner friendly. ABS is more stronger than PLA, more heat resistant, and it is used for tools or enclosures. PTG is more flexible than ABS and even more durable than ABS. And because of that, it is used for mechanical parts that are made into machineries. The TPU is a filament that acts more like rubber. It is even more flexible than PTG, and it is used for phone cases, gaskets, and even shoes. Okay, and lastly, why are FDM 3D printers so popular? Well, firstly, because of the price. Yeah, they are cheap on the market. They are beginner friendly. They are not so dangerous much as the other types, yeah, because at some other types of these 3D printers you need hazardous chemicals to use to print with. It is a fun. Yeah, for some people it is interesting how it works, and some people make it as their hobby. Okay, this is the end. Thank you for watching. I hope I learned you something new. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.